Hello everyone, welcome back. This is probably, for now, this will be my last exo in the deep black, because I have to prepare to turn into the bubble, turn back by Saturday. So that means that Friday and Saturday I will be riding on neutron stars for about 8,500 light years back to the bubble. Saturday, of course, at 12 GMT, it will begin this trip in 4 or 5 spectacular locations in our galaxy. Amongst them, it's the Taurus Eye black hole and Earth-like planet, and you will find the details on my live category on my channel in Detachment2 channel. Right, so let's start with it. Where is it? Yeah, this is where I am right now. In the black. Everything is black. Let's say turn on some lights. Oh, we are on a planet. All right. Let me just start my helpers. My helpers are this time Exploration Buddy 1. Let's see, is it starting? Exploration Buddy, here it is. Update available. Remind me next time. And I don't know if you can see, but right here on the right side, upper right side of the screen, I have an overlay from Exploration Buddy. It's not yet taking any precious data, but it will. But this is not enough. As you know me, it's not enough. Let's go further and start. ED Copilot, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, hurry up.
Systems and station data has been updated. We have some setup tasks outstanding. Check the warning messages in the voice log.
Alright, not now. Just go on with it.
Last tick was 7 hours and 25 minutes ago, at 9:32.
Good.
Commander, there is a new Galnet article since your last session, titled Power Play Standings, July 3311.
Probably.
All
We'll go.
circuits are now fully active and engaged. I am ready when you are, Commander.
Oh, I'm glad to
We're
hear
in
that.
Seralia, DA-C C27-11. We're aboard your unnamed Mandalay.
I will name it once
The
I go
maximum
back
jump
in the
range for
bubble.
this ship is 78.31 light years.
Right, that should be. Now starting OD Explorer. If anyone of you know what OD stands for, please help me in the comments, because I didn't find out and I'm eager to find it out. Right, so now you have all these windows on the screen. You're a little confused, isn't it? Yep. This is the situation in Elite Exobiology for me right now. I'm fiddling with 1, 2, 3 third-party programs to try to find out which one is the best. Not one of them has all the features that I want. So let's see what we can read from them. So first one which I opened, it was Exploration Body. On the Exploration Body I have here several species probably that I have scanned on the last session, but it's not a very comprehensive stat. I don't know what to tell about this. I just know the species, their values, and so on. So this is Exploration Body. So no minimizing, keeping them open. Let's venture now to ED Copilot. As you know, in information tab on biologicals, ED Copilot, it's a little bit more structured, and it shows us in a much explicit way our last session. So in our last session, as you can see here, there were 2 planets in the same system which had somewhere around 6 species each on each, right? So the second one was this with 53 million credits. Yeah, it was also Tectonica here. So this is the raw value. So 53 millions will be multiplied by 5. That will be 250 million. That's what I'm talking about. On only one half. So the other half, it's 22 million because I had problems finding Aloida. But I do not find here any supplementary information. So I have to go to other third-party tool, which is OD Explorer. This one here. Now, here are two overlays from the OD Explorer. The first one is the bodies overlay, that's exploration part, and this overlay is the exo overlay, that's the exobiology, of course. Alright, let me get this out of the way. In the main window here on the left, it's the exploration part, and on the right, the exobiology. So, continuing from ED Copilot, here, this is the second body from the system that I went to. This is the 53 million. Yeah, as you can see here, 53.226. But here is not rounded quite well. This is 54 million, this is 53. The original value is 53 because it's missing the bacterium. The bacterium is not, this is a total value. It's not excluded the unscanned species. So coming back at the first body here, as you can see with the 22 millions, of course the grand total is 29 million, but I didn't found Aloida, and this changed, commanders. So this changed. When I was on this body, on this planet, Aloida laminae, or I think it was Aloida, it had the value of 7.7 million. Like this down here, see? And here I think there was, no, it was not. But here it was one value of 7.7.
The ship's cat has once again taken over the commander's chair. Repeat,
right.
The cat is in charge.
And this is the worst part. From ED Copilot, she's talking too much. Even if I set her up not to talk too much. But this is it. Right? Okay, so three third-party tools and not one gives me everything what I want. But till now I'm undecided between ED Copilot and OD Explorer. Of course, there is a very good metric here in Body Explorer, because it shows me here on the overlay the distance alive, the distance in meters, which I have until the next colony of the species, which none of these other third-party tools, Copilot or OD Explorer, shows me. So all three have something, a particular thing that I need, and I can go without, of course. But I would prefer to go with, you know. Right, let me just leave this stuff open and get back into the game. Try to structure this. I have 3 overlays now on the game. So I'll take this down here. As you can see, if I click one of the overlays, the main window pops up. So then I click the game window back again. And as you can see, the mouse pointer disappears once I'm out of the overlay. See? That's a very good feature. I clicked it again because I want to drag it a little bit down. And here is the Body Explorer overlay. Alright, let's take off from this planet because everything is done here. I searched. This is not the first time when I'm searching a species and I land 3 times. I'm going back on the orbit, land back on the orbit and land back. I still can't find it. That's the dark side of exobiology. Gears up. good. We are off. Okay, let me just pop up the galaxy map.
You gotta dance now. You gotta dance now.
So I
Setting
have...
course for Ceralia, GL-C B27-1. We will reach our destination in 123 jumps.
Okay, good.
Yeah, with the economic plotter. 123 jumps. And that's a lot, because first I should search every star here. First. For now, I have a filter popped on M-class and L-type class, because I have a little hunch that tectonicas appear when this kind of stuff are together. Of course, apply filters to the out. Okay, now what is this here? Initially, because I told you I have to get back into the bubble by Saturday, and this all area, these all clusters are unknown, so all systems unknown, not any plotter can take my actual system, and I searched and I found the closest ones were these three, and then I set a route from here to the point of departure. So from this point I'm gonna start riding neutron stars till the bubble. But yesterday or the day before yesterday, when I did the clip with the exiting of the deep space zone from getting back to the bubble, I observed that there is an even easier way, or a luckier way, if I select stars from around my location, like this one or like this one, yeah, and I copy the location of that star, of the name of that system, into the spanch.co.uk, I have more chances to that system to be found by that by spanch.co.uk that by reversing the name of my actual system. I could try to do that right now. Let's see if it works. So now I'm on Ceralia C2711, which I think it's known. Let's copy the target name and get the browser out, and I have the galaxy plotter. Get this out of the way. Galaxy plotter, this is plotted, and 27.1, let's see this one. Let's paste it, and it can't find it, but it finds 1.4, which is, I think, close, very close. So 1.4, let's see if I copy this, my actual, and change it from 11 to 14 and hit it. See, it's one jump distance away. I changed my camera location and I don't know where to look so I can find you. Alright, but till tomorrow when I start, or the day after tomorrow, when I start jumping back to the bubble, let's go and hit some systems. Let's see what can I find around here. And I will hit systems at random locations, just like this. Move this up here. All right.
Targeting Ceralia, EEF-EE B54-3.
All right. Let's go. Oh, sorry, I just pressed it by mistake. I had a twitch on my little pinky on the left hand. "32 light years, that's far."
Jumping to Ceralia, FEB 54-3.
I
Our
think
next star is scoopable.
Understand. I think I'll stick with the route because it has smaller range jumps. Alright.
First discoverer
Congratulations,
of star
Commander.
system
You are now
Cyrili
officially the first star-speaking ape descendant to visit this
with
system.
primary star of type M.
Did you hear that male voice? That's Body Explorer, and he's announcing the first ever human to touch this system. Of course, that's the same thing that ED Copilot is doing, but OD Explorer is not telling you when you're the first in the system or if you're not. Surface scanner, oh come on. Discovery scanner, of course. 15 bodies. Let's get away from the star. SCO. Okay. I nearly did something stupid. Alright, let's start the scanner. The FSA scanner, spectral analysis. System body discovered. Let's see what do we have here. Icy bodies, rocky ice worlds, and of course gas giants. So till here nothing this interesting. I'll go on the rocky ice just for the... Let me just... where are you? Yeah. Let's find the orbit lines. So that's not interesting. Not interesting. What is here? Get into it. Adaptive zoom failed. Come on. So you see here on my left, where is my mouse pointer, you see the value of the exploration data, which is 24,000, which is nothing in exploration value. Alright, 15 planets. There is no metallic worlds or rich metallic worlds. This is almost a no-go. Gentlemen, almost a no-go system. I shouldn't be doing this right now. I should jump to the next one. Maybe I'm doing it just to warm up a little bit. No, it's no use. As you can see, the frequency has disappeared from the spectral analysis scale. So I'm getting out of here. Not this one, this one. And...
We will reach our destination in 116 jumps.
let's choose this one, B540.
It's just like always typing.
Alright.
Targeting Ceralia, FF-EE B54-0.
Let's jump. 10 light years. $38,000. Here you are, yeah. 38,000. Yeah. I'm keep looking in that direction because I had the camera down there.
Jump initiated. Heading to Ceralia, FF-EE B54-0. Our next star is scoopable.
Alright. Is she talking or I am talking? Nobody's telling me anything.
Looks like we just discovered a new system. Perhaps we should scan this one further.
With primary star of type M.
That's what I wanted to hear. So gentlemen, I wanted to give you a shout to First Chapter Gods team and Jasper and Spectator. Where are you, gentlemen? What are you doing these days? I miss you. Did I scan this system? 16 bodies. Come on, let's get away from the star. And start the spectral analysis, which is icy bodies only with belt, with asteroid clusters. That's humiliating. It is humiliating, gentlemen, humiliating. That's a bad start for today's exploration. Or Exo, very bad start, only with icy bodies. This is just like a useless field of space. And I have such a lust in scanning, in moving my throttle analog joystick. Nothing, absolutely not one geological. I should look into the moons. Alright. Fuck it. I'm allowed to say that. I don't care. Let's see. Get out of here. Like this. And get into the system. Let's see. No moons. Maybe this one. 5A. Anyways, I'm losing time. Get out the galactic map.
We will reach our destination in 125 jumps.
Let's go down there. Target it.
Targeting Ceralia, HA-EE B54-1.
-1 AD. We're going to -1. So ED Copilot is more like a companion in this game. When you're alone exploring, it's a good thing to hear a voice out there that knows what he's speaking, at least. Alright, up there you can see body exploration tool or body explorer. Come on. I didn't engage my FSD. Alright. So body explorer is showing me the selected route towards the departure, towards the bubble on Friday.
Now jumping to Ceralia, Hurry B54-1.
Here.
Our next star is
all the
scoopable.
stars in the systems. M class, F class, K class. Nothing. That's not good news. It means we are not the first here. 11 bodies. Let's open the scanner just for the curiosity. I see bodies only, so alright, let's go back on the route. Oh, not this one.
We will reach our destination in 120 jumps.
Okay.
Course cancelled. Lover.
Oh, come on.
Resuming our route to Ceralia, GL-C B27-1. We will reach our destination in 98 jumps.
Yeah, in this system, I was in it just before I left. So the next one will be a new one.
Jumping to Ceralia, DA-66 27-11.
This
The
here,
star we
every
are
star
approaching
is scoopable.
as are the subsequent 7 stars in our route.
Only 7.
Possible occurrences of one potentially
We're now
valuable
97
species
jumps from
predicted
Ceralia,
on high metal
GL-C
content body
B27-1.
A2.
Yeah, this is a good
Possible
example.
in this
occurrences of
system
6
have
potentially
unconfirmed
valuable
biologicals present.
species predicted
Are we going
on
to
high
check these
metal
out?
content body A1.
Yeah, so Body Explorer, it's already announced that we have valuable species in this system. I already scanned them. I was in this system. But look here on the left side, on the exploration tab here, you can see the value 400,000 credits. And here on the right, on the Exobiology, you can see one of the bodies, the A1, which has this value here. Scan 3 species, didn't find the Eloida. And the A2, you see, if you click on it, it shows you directly. But of course, if you click on it, it's already opening the main window, right? Alright, so this is done. Let's go to the next system. Oh, come on. I have to change my key for the SEO drive. I'm only doing stupid stuff with it. Cancelling my FSD with no intent.
We're jumping to Cerealia DRP 53-1.
And now you see both overlays are waiting for data, jumping to Cyrelia and waiting for
The
data.
star
See?
we are approaching is scoopable, as are the subsequent 6 stars in our route.
Thank you, ED, for the valuable information. Now
We're
please
now
tell me,
96 jumps from
First
Cerealia
discoverer of star
GL-C
system
B27-1.
Cyrelia FB53.
First
Commander,
discovery, yeah.
it looks as if we are the
Primary
first
star
to
of
visit
type
this
M.
system.
I have a support on here.
9 bodies. Let's depart from the star and see if I'm lucky or we are lucky to scan some high metallic worlds. Open the scanner and we have something. High metal content, HMC, gentlemen, and of course the irreplaceable icy bodies. Jesus, everywhere, of course. Yes, here is the line. So 9 bodies, not that many. Oopsie, strong signal here. And these are icy ones.
I spawned gambling that video. Did you see that?
So I'm scanning for now 9,000 credits. Come on, even less than that. And now this is metallic. And look how it jumped from 10,000 to 220,000. Sadly, it's just that. Not anything else. Let's see, from 220,000 it jumps to 432,000.
Go get that amber, Nathan.
Alright, this is, as you can see, the frequency disappears. There are no more metallics, HMC bodies on this system. Just for curiosity, there is another ice body here. What's happening? I think my joystick has just... Alright, I'm gonna scan you too, don't cry. And I'm out of here. Absolutely zero value. Not quite zero, it was a 500,000. But this is a good thing. When you're exploring, try to find irregularities, because I found some unusual anomalies signal and found some huge crystals floating into the space. And I read that you have to have some research limpets on you. I'm just talking and I'm don't starting the FSD, right? You have to have some research limpets with you in order to get some biological samples from them. I have
Jumping
to
Cerealia EUFB 53-3.
I'll have to get those when I'm going back into the bubble.
This star and the subsequent 5 stars are all scoopable, so only scoop here if you are low on fuel.
Oh god.
I'm not low on fuel, ED.
Are we there yet? Oh, 95 jumps still to go. Such
95. Fun, indeed. 20 bodies, but we are not the first in this system. So take it with a grain of salt. Let's see, what can we find here? Maybe we do the first footfall. We have, of course, the icy bodies and probably 1 or 2 high metal. These are icy.
Yes.
Let's see how much it's worth. From 5,000 to 11, 6,000 credits. So absolutely useless. Alright, 16,000. But you can find geologicals. That means raw materials.
Oh my god, no. Don't die, please.
Which is a good thing, yeah. Let's go on high metallic. Oh, come on. You're disappointing.
Ew, your deck is too big.
Icy bodies. I'm already frozen from
It's aggro.
so many icy.
Oh my god, Nathan, run, Nathan.
This should be a metallic, yeah. High metal. See, it jumped already at 200,000 credits. That's the way to go. Icy bodies only, and of course asteroid clusters. Thank you so much for this system. And I'm going to the next one. So do you see up there with the number 4,
Yes.
the arrow just blinking? It shows you that that's the next destination from our route, a M-class star.
We have successfully transitioned to witch space, heading to Ceralia EUFB 53-0.
-0.
The star coming up is scoopable, as are the subsequent 4 stars in our route.
He's scoopable and -0 like a hero. Scanning. Tell me what I want to
We're
hear.
now 94 jumps from
discoverer of
Ceralia,
star
GL-C
system
B27-1.
B53-0
Awesome.
with primary
Looks like we
star
just
of
discovered
type
a
M.
new system. Perhaps we should scan this one further.
Lovely, 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 yes. Let's start the scanner. Wow. Icy and some HMC, high metallic world.
It's aggro, it's aggro.
Come on, come on. This is icy. Okay, let me select it icy.
It's a mega
Just
ball.
I scan it just that I don't see it anymore because I had enough of them.
Why is this guy's problem?
Also icy. 688,000. From where? I didn't look at the exploration board and now I see almost 700,000 credits there. Where did they come from? Oh, come on. One more body. Where's the metallic? Only one high metallic. Wow. Wow. Okay, next one.
Someone called me Venom.
One metallic. 7 light years away, gentlemen. 800,000. Almost 900,000. I don't know where did that...
Jumping to Ceralia ZSHB 52-0.
From where did that came? That... I had like 600,000,
This
but
star
I know
and the
from where.
subsequent 3 stars are all scoopable, so only scoop here if you are low on fuel.
Good. Tell me what I want to hear, ED.
Are we there yet? Oh, 93 jumps still to go. Such fun.
It's not fun because I'm not the first one here. 8 bodies. Let's open the scanner. Icy bodies and rocky ice worlds. Maybe some geological. Let's see. No way. No. So the rocky bodies are exactly like the icy ones. No value on them, very, very small value. Alright, I'm losing time here. Next one. FSD.
We have successfully transitioned to witch space, heading to Ceralia ZSHB 52-4.
Come on.
This star we are jumping to is scoopable, as are the subsequent 2 stars in our route.
Yeah, it M-class star.
We have 92 jumps left to go.
First discoverer of star system
Commander, it looks as if we are the
Cyrili
first to visit this system.
SHB-52-4 with primary star of type M.
Good, good, good. Good news. At least that. Right, let's open the scanner. And only rocky bodies and icy bodies. That's a huge disappointment, gentlemen. Huge disappointment. Again, you disappoint me. Oh my. Oh my. What am I doing here? Scanning ice. Absolutely nothing. Total loss of time. Probably might be a dead zone. B52-3, gentlemen. Cyralia.
Transitioned to which space? Heading to Cyralia ZSHB 52-3. This star we are jumping to is scoopable, as is the subsequent star in our route.
Mm-hmm.
We're now 91 jumps from Cyralia.
First discovery.
B27-1.
Congratulations, Commander. You are now
M.
officially the first Ars-picking 8 descendant to visit this system.
There are only 2 bodies and I see only 1 star. So that's an interesting thing. Let's open the scanner. We have only high metal world, signal, and only 1. Come on. Where are you? Did you see that? I completed an entire circle 360 degrees and no frequency, nothing. I'm going zigzag. Wow, maybe there is another line. Absolutely nothing. Alright, let's go left, 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 and here it is. Did you expect that? It has no orbit line. 273,000 credits on the high metal content world, the solely lowly, lovely body in this system. Alright, B52-2.
Jump initiated. Heading to Xenobiology 52-2. The star we are approaching is scoopable, but the subsequent star in our route is not.
That's something new.
We're now 90 jumps from Cyralia, GL-C
First discoverer of
B27-1.
star system Cyralia
Awesome.
HB
Looks like we just discovered a new system. Perhaps we should scan this one further.
Alright. Oh, promising. High metal content and rocky bodies, icy bodies, rocky bodies. Interesting. And the frequency is strong. 175,000 from the first scan. 3 biologicals, gentlemen.
3 biological signals detected on body A3.
3 biological signals found on high metal content body A3.
A3's
Possible
landable with an
occurrences of
atmosphere.
11
Commander,
potentially
shall we go
valuable
check it out?
species
First
predicted
foot
on
full
high
time,
metal
maybe.
content body A3.
Alright, so as you saw here on the bottom right corner, those pop-ups were from OD Explorer. Very important. It shows pop-up when it found something. Now let me just bring down. Bear with me here for a moment. Oh my god, what's happening? Oh, I'll top it. My god. Unbelievable. Oops. I'm just losing my mouse. ED Copilot.
Yeah.
Back to biologicals.
When
Things that I want to show you. Here's the body that we found right now with the 3 biologicals. What it says here, unidentified, needs DSS scan. See? So, not that good. We have to go there, we have to scan the surface of the planet. Time lost. Alright, coming back to Body Explorer. Body Explorer, it has here on the top right another display. As you can see here, it says possible occurrences of valuable species. And then it makes an estimation about the valuable species that can occur on the planet's surface. So as you can see there, it starts from 5 million credits and it ends to 81 million credits. But that figure, that cipher, that total is already the grand total. So it's already multiplied by 5, right? Yes, as you can see, Bacterium Tesla or Tela, it's 9.7 million, right? And Bacterium aureus, it's 5 million. That means that its base value, it's 1 million. Right, so come back now to me here to OD Explorer. How is it named? Oh my god. OD Explorer, yes. Alright, so this is my favorite, but I told you each one has something that the other one has not. I think they talked to each other, the developers, and did one thing what the other didn't. Alright, so going back to OD Explorer, just here, where is my mouse pointer right now? As you can see, we have the Exobiology overlay. Yeah. And it says clearly the value of each species found on the surface of the planet without any scanning. This is very important. It also says the distance that you have to do between the colonies, between the scans. See, so we have here the bacterium, which is 1 mil only. We have the Frutexa metallicum, which is 1.6 mil, and we have the Tussock ventosa, which is 3.2 million. That multiplied by 5 can be 15 million. And if I attach this 1.6 multiplied by 5, that could be 8 with 15, maybe 20 and something million of scan, right? Let's go down there, eventually scan more of this, maybe we find more, because if I pair the tussock with the Frutexa, it's not quite a total loss of time. Alright, let's continue. Why is not working? Okay, get out. Yeah, I was pushing the wrong key. Another planet with biologicals
detected on body A4.
3
A4 has an
biological
atmosphere
signals
and is
found on
landable.
high metal content body A4. Possible occurrences of 11 potentially valuable species predicted on high metal content body A4.
So as you can see, identical species on both bodies with identical values. Alright, let's back up. Next one.
Cecil, I need you, Cecil. Oh my god.
And this is icy. I have to scan it to get it out of my way.
Destroy the nest, destroy the nest.
Alright, there are two more bodies.
Another Hydrosaurus.
One is icy. Or
Oh,
rocky,
yes,
sorry,
nice.
rocky. Yeah, and this here is the next one, which is high metallic.
System scan complete.
Alright.
Oh,
Get out of here and now go down there on A3, for example. Let's target A3.
why did they choose to do this?
See, they are in pairs. In pairs. Alright.
Oh, my data in 9 spawn. No, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. What did we do to deserve this?
This is a very small value. I'm landing here to show you how these overlays are modifying and changing. Especially that body explorer that shows you
Run!
in real time the actual distance till you find the next colony of the species. And of course the very efficient OD explorer, which shows you the actual value. You're gonna see that is exactly how much it shows on OD explorer, and we're gonna compare it with ED Copilot. But for example, that body explorer is overestimating things, so you can't rely on it, on the value. You can rely on the distance between colonies on the body explorer. Selected the surface scanner, commanders. We have to be ready and prepared to do our job as explorers and exobiologists.
We did not ask for the gang, but what was that? Yeah, fair enough. Luckily...
So in pairs, as you can see, they are sharing the same orbit. We are in range, but I prefer to get closer at around 10 megameters. I don't know, I developed this
Pause, because... Lately... Early birth, that's fine, I
this odd preference. Two probes, one to the left, one to the right. This is a very good small body. So a body that requires only two probes. Of course they are small bodies, but small bodies have a very good
3 biological signals detected on body A3.
3 biological. So confirmed. As I was saying, small
Detecting
bodies.
3 signals below. There are bacterium, Frutexa, and tussock. Commander.
Yes,
Are we going to go take a look?
Exactly like OD Explorer said. So small planets have a much dense colonies of species on their surface. That's a good thing. You can find them faster. I hope I'm not jinxing myself right now, but that's what I observed. Actually, I could say 80% from this is true. Alright, let me show you ED. Where are you? Here are you, ED. So ED is not showing me, not even now, the species value. See, even after I scan the surface. Right. Let's go to Body Explorer. So Body Explorer is still showing me rubbish, especially on A4. Look how many species and estimations. And on the body A3 at Body Explorer we have an error of around 50% in probability of species that he's showing here. All right, let's select the tussock, or maybe let's shuffle a little bit, because we are following tussock, which is this one here, which is distributed everywhere on the surface, as you can see, when everything is green. Going back to Frutexa, so I should go down on Frutexa, and on these perimeters I should find also the tussock. Alright. No, which is the dark side, which is the bright side? Let's go to the right side. And we are with the dark side. Star Wars. What? I don't like that
Approaching
sound.
body A3.
I don't want
Planet
to
is
crash
of type
on
high
it.
metal content body. Surface temperature is minus 115 degrees Celsius. Gravity at the surface is 0.08 G.
So very small gravity. Let's glide it and maintain an angle of, or a heading of 80 degrees. It's important each time when I land, I read that value over there, 81, and hold it in my mind if that is possible. Wow, this is a mountain. Wow, a difficult terrain. All right. 80 degrees, say. Let's start the night vision. Let's go down there. Holy rocks.
Yeah, give it to me, give it to me. That was lucky.
So I jinxed it, isn't it? I can't see any species nowhere. Oh, is something in front, maybe, but I think they are only rocks.
Oh my god, the potato.
Yep.
Bam!
Nothing. There's supposed to be two species here. At least.
Yeah, I'm so. I feel so bad for that Ferrari. Yeah, he died of pain.
Wow. Unbelievable. This is one of those planets. Whoops. That's why it's good to have shields. Look down there, there is something. Let's get the scanner, the composition scanner out. But I think it's bacteria.
Congratulations, Commander. This looks like the first time we have found a teal bacterium Orisu's. Another entry for our codex. That's
Sad.
worth around 1 million credits if you get a sample.
No, thank you. Come on. I come down here to find Frutexa and Tassak, and you're giving
Nicely
me...
done. A
Whoops.
teal bacterium Orisu's sample on this body that has not been reported to backend systems. Run EDNC to notify external parties of this discovery.
Estimated value 16 million. That's the Tassak.
Congratulations, Commander. This looks like the first time we have found an emerald tussock ventusa.
That's
Another
200
entry
meters.
for our codex. That's worth around 3.23 million credits if you get a sample.
Yep. But
Emerald
for
tussock
that,
ventusa has not previously been recorded by Canon for this body, Commander.
I have to land. That's a challenge here. I can't see anything blue, anything at all. Let's go on that ridge over there at 107. Oh, come on, come on. Come on. There was something here. Oh,
Get it, like.
come on. No, no, no. Yes.
We have touched down, Commander. Our first landing on this body.
Made it. Disembark.
I'm gonna go to the playground and see what.
So no use taking out the SRV here. Absolutely no use for that.
Inventory.
First footfall confirmed. And here we have 3 colonies, but they are pretty close. I don't think that I will get 2 scans from it.
I'm not gonna.
I will choose
Oh, I
the
do have
furthest
time
one.
Oh,
The farthest, or the furthest. How is that pronounced?
Megalodon is in the shop.
Let's see, is there another one? I can't see, but I will still climb here. Oh, there is another one, look.
I have so many glass skins.
Let's scan this one.
That's our first sample collected, Commander. Now move at least 200 meters from here to find a different colony to continue the collection.
And now you see here that it appeared 3 squared boxes and one is ticked. That's one scan, and the 2 ones which follow. And now you can see here on Body Explorer the distance in meters. It will modify itself.
Yeah, but
Look, see? 4 meters, 9 meters, 23 meters. And you're wondering what the hell am I doing while I'm going up there? You're gonna see. You're gonna see. I'll put this in
Look,
like this. Look up there, beautiful. That's a nebula there. All right. Let me just push this one, right? Right, push the free. Oh my God! Now I did something. Because I think if I photograph, it will also photograph this. It will also photograph this overlays. But I will look into that just in a moment. Okay, let's turn this around a little bit. Oh, come on. All right. Get down. And to the left.
Oh, I Deep sea megabot for my final build.
And up. And the aperture.
So they should add the
And this should
sensitivity.
be a good photo.
Give it to me, and there will be a presidential election.
Maybe a little to the right. Like this. And close this. And open my... minimize that. Let's see, what do I have here? Capture full screen, active window, and region. Let's capture the active window. Control F6. Control F6. Oh, we take the overlays too. Ah, I don't like that. I really don't. Capture window object. Control F7. Let's see. Control F7. This. It captures also the overlays. Alright. If I take the region, it will surely capture in full screen. Yeah.
Well, mine does.
So I have to get this out of my way. Bam! Bam! Come on, get it out of the way.
Oh my god, I keep pushing people.
What's happening here?
Oh, how do I keep jumping that high?
Out of the way.
I like bounce up the flares in some way.
And I should hide this like this. Alright. And Control F5. And that's a good picture, I think.
Wait, are you...
Yeah, it's only visible. I'll cut it out. Alright. Where is it? Where is it? Here. Alright, so I'll put it back. And
oh my god, I got it. Yeah, okay, I killed it.
where is the OD Explorer? And the overlays are back. Nice. Okay.
I have a feeling that the next planet we land on is going to be full of cats. It's just a hunch.
What?
Let's go back and scan the things. The Tussock Ventusa Emerald version variant.
What is this episode?
So up there on the upper right corner you can see the distance from the first scan, which is 6684 meters. So this colony is too close. 115, 125. Come on, please give me 200. Please, 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 please.
Leaving 200
Yes.
We're now
meter
at an
clonal
appropriate
colony
distance to
range
find a
of
new
tussock
colony of this
ventusa.
species.
Yep.
Commander.
Scan count is 1.
You can see half of them are blue and half of them are green. Lucky me. Oh, come on. I'm getting 2 scans from this.
Second Tussock Ventusa sample collected. 1 to go. Now move another 200 meters from here and find our last sample.
Oh, for that I'll have to be lucky. Now you can see 2 values, one in green and one in red. So actually those 2 values are from the first 2 scans that I did. So if I'm somehow approaching one of those, then it will not turn green, it will stay red, and the scan distance will not be viable. But I think this is... Yes, it is. Yes, look, they are green. Oh my god.
Leaving 200
We're
meter
now at an
clonal
appropriate
colony
distance to
range
find a
of
new colony of this
Tussock
species. Commander.
Scan count is 2.
And confirming audio.
We have moved too close to the prior sample colony, Commander. We need to move further away.
ED is a little bit behind.
Congrats, Commander. Your hard work has paid off. That's more cash for us to collect at Vista Genomics. There are still one unknown species left to scan on this body, Commander.
Where is it, ED? Because you're talking too much and you're not telling me where is that species. Even if you have an overlay, you still can't show me that. So this is 3.2 million multiplied by 5. This is 15 million on a scan. We should have found here also Frutexa metallicum, but didn't. So let's just try to search it just for a little while. That's a bacterium over there, and this here I think they are the same thing.
Why is sleep so bad? It's not even like that. You could have just look at this.
Yeah, it's the
We just
tussock.
found another location for an emerald tussock ventusa. That's been logged in our codex, Commander.
Yeah, but I need a Frutexa.
Oh my god, that's such a obvious scam. And he has endless.
Oh, let's go just a little bit further. To see maybe I get lucky to find the Frutexa.
Nah, he hasn't been endless.
Absolutely nothing, only moving rocks,
Of course, it's the zombie.
deprecated shadows,
This episode doesn't anything like. I don't
and bacterium,
slender. Somewhere.
but nothing else. So I should expect the same thing from the sister planet. Or should I? Alright, gears up. Where is it? So we are going on A4.
That's in Canada, don't do that.
A3 still selected.
Look at the numbers. Look at the numbers. Which final is way above?
Luckily A4 is even closer.
Yeah, and
Have you heard there is a way to crash into the planet without taking damage? And to actually get teleported -1 meter from the surface, which is a glitch because of course you are above the surface. This is also a small body. let's go on the bright side of it.
Man, I wish it had some iron in the
3 megameters. Let's engage the to have a pretty fast scan.
Surface scanned by 50.
3 biological signals detected on body A4. Detecting 3 signals below for bacterium, Frutexa and tussock.
So now I will select tussock because it has different separation of species on the planet, and I will select the highest value of it. And I'm going to this direction here. Get it in the middle, which is at
We're
about
approaching body
200.
A4. It is a high metal content body with gravity of 0.08 g and a surface temperature of minus 116 degrees Celsius.
232 heading. Let's go down there and go 232. Yeah, the heading is 232. I hope I don't forget. Five kilometers for getting close to the surface. Pretty quick. Time to get the gears out. Decelerate. And the bacterium is here.
Yeah. I don't know how much damage skins are.
You just found another location for a teal bacterium Orisu's. That's been logged in our codex, Commander. It's worth around 1 million credits if you collect a sample.
We have something here. So I'm going to
Nicely
land.
done. A teal bacterium Orisu's sample on this body that has not been reported to backend systems.
Get the SRV out.
We have touched down, Commander. Our first landing on this body.
Because we have plain terrain. Let's see, what is this here?
I don't think I'm gonna make the line. I just like to get my own mind.
What is this? The tussock
That's the
ventusa.
first sample of tussock ventusa collected, sweetie. Now find another colony at least 200 meters away.
That's 3 million
Use
in value.
Latin skins then. Use multiple skins. Send up to 16.
120 meters. And 200
Leaving
meters.
200 meter
We have
clonal
moved far enough
colony
away.
range of
Now
tussock
look for another
ventusa.
sample.
Scan count is 1.
Second sample collected, Commander. Now move another 200 meters from here and look for the third and final sample needed.
And I'm looking also for the Frutexa.
Leaving 200
We're
meter
now at an
clonal
appropriate
colony
distance
range
to
of
find a new
tussock
colony of this
ventusa.
species,
Scan
Commander.
count is 2.
But there is no Frutexa here. Only tussock. There are planets where there are so many species in one place because you don't know, all over the place, you don't know which one to scan first. And all valuable.
That's another sample collected. What next, Commander? One unknown species left to find and identify on this body, Commander.
I'll go back to the ship. I'm not using the fuel, precious fuel. So that's about 30 million's work. Just for 2 species scanned. And pretty low value too. Let's see, 230 heading. Can we find something else? I think it's still tussock. Yeah. No use in scanning it.
You
Yeah.
just found another location for an emerald tussock ventusa. That's been logged in our codex, Commander.
This is filled with tussock. Look. Look down here. Look how many there are. Oh my god, huge colony. There's no Frutexa in sight. Absolutely nothing. Still tussock down there. Bacteria is over here, I think. Yeah, the bacteria is here. But nothing else. I'm bugging out. Three biologicals, from which only one with the lowest value, because 3.5 million, it's not quite a good value for Exo. Alright. Let's resume
Nothing, did you guys say that
our
you thought
course.
the house was supposed to be?
Oh, so we are going to B513, 1-3 actually.
Jumping to Seralia YJB 51-3. We can't scoop at this one, but we can at the next 70 stars after
Let's
this
see
one.
what it is. Actually showing... Whoa! That's pretty red.
We're now
First
89 jumps from
discoverer of
Seralia,
star system
GL-C
Sirolaya
B27-1.
YJB 51-3 with
A new
primary
system
star of
discovery.
type L.
Congratulations, sir.
Let me move this overlay out of the way. So it's good that it's the first discovery. 21 bodies. Maybe, who knows? Let's see what we find here. Alright, let's get the scanner out. Oh my god. 21 bodies and all of them are... I let you guess. I let you guess one time. Yeah. The most boring icy bodies ever
What the hell, my phone
found in the entire universe. What am I doing again? What am I doing again? Three scans. One biological.
One biological signal detected on body B6.
One biological
B6
signals
has an
found on
atmosphere
icy
and is
body
landable.
B6. Possible occurrences of one potentially valuable species predicted on icy body B6.
1 million. And look at Body Explorer. It's showing 9 million value. Possible. And it's not, of course it's not. There are guys that say that Tectonica, of course, occurs in the one biological, but I didn't
B5 has an
encounter
atmosphere and is landable.
something like that nowhere till now. And I scanned hundreds.
B7 has an atmosphere and is landable.
I did scan hundreds of bodies. 2 geological, that's good
2
for
geological
material.
signals detected on body B4 are very good. B4 is landable with an atmosphere.
I'm trying to look if it shows something here on the geological. It shows a potential probability of 0.56. That is big, but I saw actually 1.30 and it's shown in red. I think they are volcanic, but I don't know for sure. I can't tell that. Okay, I'm just looking and I can't tell on B4. Nothing else, not from OD Explorer anyway. Let's see from ED Copilot. I'm not expecting. Discovery estimator only 800,000. That's lame. And here is B4. I see with absolutely nothing reported. Let's go on information and bodies. And we have B4 with 2 Gs here, but no details on it. Absolutely nothing. Alright.
Dude, this guy has so many glass skins, oh my god.
So as you can see, icy bodies are almost useless, worthless, eventually for materials, but nothing else. I'm out of here.
Frameshift drive charging.
Successfully transitioned to which space? Heading to Seralia JB 51-4. This star and the next 69 stars in our route are all scoopable.
Woo! Woo! Come on. Tell me
We're
what
now
I want to
88
hear.
jumps from Seralia
First discoverer
GL-C
of star system
B27-1.
Cyrolaya JB 51-4
Congratulations,
with
Commander. You are
primary
now
star
officially
of
the
type
first
M.
Stars-picking ape descendant to visit this system.
I don't care, ED, I don't care, because there is nobody on this system. Absolutely not one. I wish there was a filter in the stars filter to filter only stars that have bodies.
Jump initiated. Heading to Seralia WMJ B51-1. This star and the subsequent 68 stars are all scoopable, so only scoop here if you are low on fuel. Are we there yet? Oh, 87 jumps still to go. Such fun.
We are not the first on this system. Let's see what's on the scanner. Icy bodies, thank you so much. See you. See you when I get there. 12 light years, Cyrelia B50.
Jump initiated. Heading to Seralia BBL B50-0.
12 jumps, commanders. And what did I found?
This star and the next
30
67
mil?
stars in our route are all scoopable.
12 jumps and probably 1.5 hours, I don't know. That's my estimate.
We're now 86
First
jumps from
discoverer of
Seralia
star
GL-C
system Cyrolaya
B27-1.
BBL-B50-0 with
A new
primary
system
star of
discovery.
type M.
Congratulations, Commander.
Good.
What the fuck?
One body. I can't believe that I moved away from the star. One fucking body. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the proof that in the universe there is no God. There are no bodies, only stars. For now.
Jump initiated. Heading to Seralia XNFC 25-2.
-2 this time, gentlemen.
The star
Let's
coming
see.
up is scoopable, as are the subsequent 66 stars in our route.
How many? 66. I think the devil did something here.
85 jumps
First
left to our
discoverer
target
of
destination,
star system
Stud.
Cyrolaya XNFC
Oh, very good.
25-2
Looks like we
with
just discovered a
primary
new
star
system.
of type M.
Perhaps we should scan this one further.
Yeah, I will. I hope there are some metallics. If not water worlds or Earth-like, something like that. Of course, gas giants, which I hate. And icy bodies and nothing else. What should I do? Let's see how much it's worth. A gas giant. Okay, let's take this one here. That's 16,000 credits. Beautiful. And here's the other one. And this worth more than that, like 17,000. And the rest of it are all icy bodies.
Two
Two
geological signals
geologicals.
detected on body 2A.
So at least they are geologicals. That's a material source. Let's get out of here. At least there were some bodies, not just a star. At a total of about 100,000 in scans.
Jumping to Xenobiology WBA 50-2.
I will also record my
The
ride back
subsequent
to the
65
bubble.
stars are also scoopable, so no need to refill the tank here, Commander. We have 84 jumps left to go.
First discoverer of star system
Excellent.
Cyrili
Looks like we just discovered a new system. Perhaps we should scan this one
star
further.
of type M.
One body. Again. I think this is a dead zone. I'm certainly that's dead zone. I encountered like 5 systems with absolutely no body in it. Only the star.
Jump initiated. Heading to Xenobiology HC 24-0. This star we are heading to is scoopable, as are the subsequent 64 stars in our route.
Anchor.
We have 83 jumps left to go.
First discoverer of star system
Congratulations, Commander.
Cyrili
You are now
HC
officially the first R-Speaking 8
24-0
descendant
with
to visit this
primary
system.
star of type M.
How many bodies? Because I didn't see. Did you see? How many are there? Oops. There is a big
That's so his fault.
icy bodies. Rocky. Let's get it if it's rocky. Alright. And here are the metallics. That's interesting. One biological.
One biological signal detected on body ABC1.
High metal content body ABC1 is terraformable.
ABC1 is
One
terraformable.
biological
First one
signals
discovered
found
today.
on high
It's
metal
also
content
landable with an
body
atmosphere.
ABC1. Possible occurrences of 3 potentially valuable species predicted on high metal content body ABC1. Planet ABC1 has a potential exploration value of 230,000 credits.
That's 2.3 million. It's a high metal terraformable. Look up there on the left. Here. 2.3 million value. But there is a but, as always, a but. You know? A but. Look here. Here it says it's one biological. And here in OD Explorer it says there are 2. One from which one is a Tectonica. That's 19 million value, raw value. That's 95 million. Now this is something that I didn't encounter. This is the first time. And of course, if I'm rolling over Body Explorer, it shows me all the possible nothingness. More than 50% error in this probabilistic, what it has here. Alright, so I'll have to go here and verify this information, because OD Explorer is showing 2 species. Let's see, what about Elite ED Copilot? ED Copilot says only 1 species. So after my experience, this has never happened before.
Hi.
I should tell that this has more chances to be a Bacterium Cerberus. So I didn't see till now in all my exploration experience an exo, any Tectonicas in one biological signal. Right? Let's get out of here. and do the rest pretty quick,
Dude, look at
and then go and confirm.
that.
Let's see what is down there. I'm very curious right now. One biological.
One biological signal detected on body
High metal
ABC2.
content body ABC2 is terraformable.
ABC2 is
One
terraformable.
biological
Second
signals
one
found
discovered
on
today.
high metal
It's also
content
landable
body
with an
ABC2.
atmosphere.
Possible occurrences of 3 potentially valuable species predicted on high metal content body ABC2. Planet ABC2 has a potential exploration value of 230,000 credits.
Now that's a good news for exploration. But for EXO, as I can see, the atmosphere type is 100% sulfur dioxide. So I don't think that's good for tectonicas. Tectonicas have to have partially atmosphere, not fully atmosphere. But I'm curious what will I found here. All right, let's scan this, scan it.
Two biological signals
Two
found
biological
on high
Two biological
metal
signals
content
detected on
body
body
D3.
D3.
Possible occurrences of 3 potentially
Nice
valuable
job, Commander.
species predicted on
D3
high
is
metal
landable with an
content
atmosphere.
body D3.
What the Now there are 3 biologicals, 2 biologicals, and all the explorers shows me 2 biologicals. Let's verify ED Copilot. ED Copilot is showing only 1. And it's not showing at all D3. Only ABC1 and ABC2. Let's refresh the window. Oh, it's showing now. Just I had to refresh it. It's showing 2, but not 3 like here. But there are not 3 here. Yeah, there are not 3. There are only 2 signals. And all of them have tectonicas on it. See, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. But here is signal only 1, and here are 2. Now this could be something that we will find out real soon. Real soon. One biological again.
One biological signal
One
detected on
biological
body
signals
D4.
found on rocky ice body D4.
D4 has an
Possible
atmosphere
occurrences
and is
of 1
landable.
potentially valuable species predicted on rocky ice body D4.
Yeah, this is only bacterium here on D4. Look, D4, 1 million, only bacterium. Alright, let's get out. There is one more planet there. Whoopsie.
What is this doing? Like, what's this? That is I give you Star Exo Special. You give me albino tail. Dude. No.
One biological again.
One biological signal detected
One
on body
biological
D2.
signals found on high metal content body D2.
Oh, good job. D2 is
Possible
landable with an
occurrences of
atmosphere.
3 potentially valuable species predicted on high metal content body D2.
Unbelievable. Now this is an enigma, but I think it's an error. Because Elite, it says only 1 biological signal, not 2 of them.
System scan complete.
Alright, system scan complete.
Awesome.
Let's go on first on the first one, ABC1. Let's check them out. Alright, let me show you the main window here. So ABC1, ABC2, D2, D3, D4. So these are signaled for only for one biological, and OD Explorer it shows two. I would not bother with it, but right now it's about tectonicas here everywhere, and this is pretty interesting.
What the hell?
Let's go to the system. ABC1, ABC2. It's all about ABC1. So here, what did I tell you? Look here, this is a K class, yeah? No, an L class and M class. See? M class in combination with L class. M class, M with L, like LM, like the, you know, I'm not allowed to say on the on the stream on YouTube this, but maybe some of you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so M class combined with L class stars, I know that produce tectonicas. So that's why I enabled. Alright, let me get out of here. That's why I enabled here, as you can see, this in my filters. M and L class. Alright. Now let's go down there and see what the hell will we find down there. And select the surface scanner to 160 light seconds.
Oh, he wants all my glass skins? This is what he's on. Wait. Okay. I hate my glass.
The things that I have to put up with. 3 third-party applications, and not one can be precise or complete. This is a very big body. I think it will give me 7 probes. Let's slow down and get into the 6 probes.
Confusing.
Nearly nailed it.
So,
Alright, let's see.
so with the
I'll get one behind.
I got
Like,
to see, man.
oh,
I should have won that.
like this. Did I count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I hope.
Surface scanned by 50.
I should engineer my surface scan.
One
Nailed it.
biological signal detected on body ABC1.
It's time to
So it's only one biological.
Detecting 1 signals below. There are bacterium. Commander, are we going to go take a look?
No. Let's see if OD Explorer adjusted himself. That's a disappointment. So yes, here it is, Bacterium Cerberus 1.69. It adjusted itself. Only one signal. And as you can see on ABC2, it still shows the tectonicas.
What is this?
I will not go down there. Oh,
Wait, what is this? What happened?
not for a bacterium. Let's go to the second one.
I don't remember.
Confirm this error.
Oh, right.
What is
Wait,
wrong with
you're
this?
referencing the, aren't you referencing the things on That one analog photo with the sounds of meat.
That's 400 LS. I will enable the SEO. Beautiful stars. Look at them. Look at them. Whoa, gravity well. Let's get a little bit around. Whoa. Things that I do.
You know what? I'm gonna play
This will be, of course, the same, because it's sister planet. I'm almost convinced that's the same.
No, you're not a streamer.
ABC2 is showing 2 species. Oh, this is the first time when I encountered this error from OD Explorer, and I'm very disappointed. Whoops, I'm too close. Oh no, come on.
Surface scanned by 50%.
Oh god, wait. Oh, uh-oh.
Oh no, it stopped at 89%. Oh god.
This spot is legitimate. This spot is legitimate. There's a legitimate in the game. There's a horrible person in the game.
One biological signal detected on body ABC2.
Oh, they did leave.
Bacterium.
Detecting 1 signals below. There are bacterium. Commander, are we going to go take a look?
Oh my god, dude.
No.
No, we will press
Alright, it adjusted. Yes, it adjusted. 1 species.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go on D2, because it's showing 2 of them,
Wait.
even if it's 1. If
Oh my
I'm
god,
right,
dude.
let's see.
I thought
On
they were
D2,
wrong.
1 biological and
I
shows
got
2.
scared, dude.
Get out of
I
here.
got scared because they had the spawn symbol above the command code.
So on D2,
Oh, okay.
this one here. "5,000 light seconds." That's SEO.
I don't want to play that anymore. I mean, I don't want to play my distorted. Next. Oh my god, I have that GIF saved, and it's so cringy.
Beautiful sun. Beautiful.
Okay, nobody played 3 and 5 seconds of the exact reason. Wait. No, wait. Nathan, did you get the... What is it? You got the spawn?
I'm trying to get on the day side,
Let's go and spawn.
on the day side of this planet.
And scare the hell out of people. Please don't forget spawn.
On the brighter side, so I can see what I can't find. So here it shows 1 biological, D2,
Oh, someone said vintage.
and that should be, after my personal opinion and experience, a bacterium. And I would say 100%, especially after the discoveries that I made just about 2 or 3 minutes ago. Yeah, 6 probes.
Oh god, there's someone begging for please.
One biological signal detected on body D2.
Bacterium.
Detecting 1 signals below. There are bacterium, your hotness. Are we going to go take a look?
This is an error, a big error from OD Explorer. D3. Let's go on D3. So D3 is showing two biologicals, and it's okay. It's showing the Tectonicas, and the D4 is also showing true. Only 1 species, a bacterium, 1 million. So on D3 I should find the Tectonica. Let's go towards D3. But it is acceptable if you're asking me. 1 error in hundreds of scans. I think it's alright. I don't have anything to complain about. I'm not Dracula. I don't need 100% efficiency. 99.9, it suffice. It's good for me. Oh, is this the brighter side? Or this one from here? Yeah, it is this one from here. I'm curious about the size of it. I hope it's not 6 probes again, because it will be hard for me to find the Tectonicas. 0.20 light seconds at this time, commanders. It is big. But not that big. 4 probes. That's not that bad. I think it's okay. So I filter it for Tectonicas, for stratum. Go down there, confirm the presence. Scan it. And then eventually stay on the planet.
2 biological signals detected on body D3.
So it's bacterium and stratum. Come on, ED.
Detecting 2 signals below for bacterium and stratum, sir. Are we going to go take a look?
You should be more spontaneous, ED, or I will cut you off from your energy supply. Oopsie. Yeah, I selected it. I thought I didn't select. Let's go exactly there. I see a lot of green space.
So we are helping with this, by the way. We are helping with this.
Get into orbital... How is it called? Orbital flight. Alright, 45 degrees, gentlemen. 45, 50, 45,
Initiating
55.
orbital entry procedures for body D3.
All
Planet
right,
is
all
of
right.
type high metal content body. Surface temperature is -107 degrees Celsius. Gravity at the surface is 0.29 g.
Good, 0.3. We'll go on the ridge of this big crater. 2 biologicals. One from them is a tectonica. Wow. Beautiful yellow, dark yellow. Huge crater here. Right on the ridge of it. Gears out. A little bit too fast. And I already found Tectonica. Look straight ahead at 48 degrees. Yeah. That's landed.
We have touched down, Commander. Our first landing on this body.
500 meters. I think I fly the 500 meters. That means I will not use the SRV. What is this here? Is it a dust storm? This is interesting. A nice cloud. And it disappeared. Alright, Tectonicas, here I come. Oops. $95 million.
The range on this is actually kind of massive though.
That's the first sample of stratum tectonicas collected, sir. Now find another colony at least 500 meters away.
No problem.
If you put Velociraptor and Pteranodon together, then you can get
At least one Tectonicas for today.
there's just F on this list.
Leaving
We're at a
500
suitable
meter
distance to
clonal
take the
colony
next
range
sample.
of stratum tectonicas. Scan count is 1.
And there it is.
Just in the PN. Oh, look at all that gap that could be like that.
We have touched down, Commander. Our second landing on this body.
Oh my god, wait, where is this?
With the ship you move so fast.
There's somewhere over here. Yep. Yep. Awesome. I'm so sorry.
Hey,
Second
OD
stratum
Explorer.
tectonicas sample collected. 1 to go. Now move another 500 meters from here and find our last sample.
Oh my god.
OD Explorer just deceived me for the first time in hundreds of scans. For the first time. But, you know what they say, it's never too late to be disappointed. Oh, yeah. $35.
Leaving
have to.
500 meter clonal colony
We're
range
now
of
at an appropriate
stratum
distance to find a
tectonicas.
new colony of this
Scan
species,
count is 2.
sweetie.
Look, here it is. Oh, with the bacterium.
Awesome. Yeah.
And the bacterium, yeah.
You just found another location for a teal bacterium alcyonium. That's been logged in our codex, your hotness. It's worth around 1.66 million credits if you collect a sample. Nicely done. A teal bacterium alcyonium sample on this body that has not been reported to backend systems.
Imagine this game just get up.
Third landing on this body. Your orders, Commander.
I will not scan the bacterium. I refuse to do such things. Look, here it is on the purplish.
It hangs itself. What happened to that
So
guy?
that's 95 mil.
Get that gambling material.
Great work. We can hand this sample in at Vista Genomics for some cash.
Oh my god.
We
can
could,
kick it.
but we
And
don't.
kiss people.
Not right now.
Looks like we have scanned all of the species of interest on this body, beloved.
Yes, beloved. Let's see what ED is showing me. So ED is right,
Wait, so does mine
as
go
always,
on or not?
but she's not showing me before the scan. So OD Explorer, this one here was pretty precise with 99% precision.
Ah,
That's
so
good
it's
enough
not
for me.
the abduction.
So I don't mind that it showed me 3 or 4 additional stratum tectonicas this time, because anyways I knew that everywhere where is one biological is bacterium, and next one comes 2 biologicals, and that's Aloida with bacterium. Very rarely it's bacterium with tectonicas, but I already found it 3 times when signals with 2 biologicals with tectonicas and bacterium, but never found one biological which is something else than bacterium. Never until I don't know when, right? So today ED Copilot is showing us 25 million raw value. That's multiplied by 5, 125 million value. Let's see what about OD Explorer. OD Explorer is showing us
Stop giving stuff.
19 mil here, and that's it. So OD Explorer has not
Just
a
realized you missed the lab.
total estimate from the session.
Hold on,
It has also a total estimate in my data undelivered, which is till now almost 50 million in exploration and 2.4 billion in exobiology. All right, so this is a OD Explorer. Let's see what else does it has. Does it have Carto data? I think this is for today, yeah, but there is no total here. This is for today, I'm sure of it. All right. There's only the grand total. So the session total, it's not cartographic, unsold, sold, lost, and ignored.
Okay, I'm incubating another.
All right.
Taverna
Let's
bar.
go to bio.
Yeah. We have to back
Now
that
here I have
because we missed the
loads of stuff mixed together. I don't know what's and where and how. I can't read this. I think this is my personal species variance database or something like that. Or sold or not sold and discovered and undiscovered, and I don't know. 37 species from 94, 77 variants from 869. That's a nice round value. Let's see, what is this here? Spanch CSV parser. And the lead edge is asymmetric points of interest. That's stuff to be learned. Alright, in ED we already know that we have the biological estimate for the session, which is 25 million, and the grand total of 483 million, which is raw, which I have to calculate to compare it with OD Explorer. That's how much? 483. 483 multiplied by 5, it's 2.415. Yes, it's exactly the same value. So with OD Explorer and ED Copilot are on the same page. And here at Body Explorer, I don't see much of a thing, only the Tectonica, which is 95 million. But I will bring out the main page of OD. This is the main page. So we have biologicals, which is 95 million, then that's it, only this body.
Commander, I'm trying to decide between watching a space documentary or a space comedy. What do you think?
ED, leave me alone, please. Leave me them alone. Alright. So, biologicals. I don't know, can she see that I'm talking with you? She's just find herself talking. Jesus. Bodies. So we have bodies here. And we have the possible occurrences of biologicals. Two types of bacterium, but it doesn't show if I got them or not. I can see here that I got Tectonicas. And it shows, look, the species colored in orange, in dark orange, is the species that I scan, and the other in gray are not. So here are all in gray, so I didn't scan anything. But I remember that I scanned something of about actually 2 species with 3.5 million value each, raw value, and it doesn't show here. It was at the beginning. No, it doesn't show. So, till now, still OD Explorer wins the game. Still OD Explorer. But it has to be completed by Body Explorer to show me in real time the distance between colonies. And it has to be completed again or by Body Explorer or by ED Copilot, because it doesn't tell me when the system is the first footfall or first discovered. Right? So these are the third-party tools that I'm working with right now, and I'm deciding what to do with which one should I keep and which one should I lose. So this was it for today, and tomorrow I think I'll do some more exploration, but by Wednesday I should start jumping towards the bubble, because I have 45 neutron jumps to do. That's 8,500 light years away, going back to prepare for the trip of the year with the Commander Daddy G and Generation X George and who knows who. And with the carrier we will taxi among 4 or 5 special locations, spectacular locations from the galaxy, always stream it live Saturday from 12 GMT. Thanks so much for being with me, for suffering with me here. Thank you so much for subscribing. And you know, as always, I'm still the same Vince, and I will not say that, I will say 07 Commanders again. Till the next time, 07 Commanders. And now I will see that I didn't record anything. I did record. Sayonara. I did say it again. So 07, yeah.